So what did you all build today?
What we have right here is an awesome mid-range gaming PC featuring a Ryzen 5 5600 and an RTX 2070.
So this PC was a really good deal. We got this 2070 at a great price on trade-in. We do a lot of trade-ins here at PCBros. And I'm gonna use my little cheat sheet because I already forgot what we built. But we have an ASRock B450M Pro 4, a 1 terabyte Team Group 1 terabyte. I don't know why I read that twice, but it's 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. We have 32 gigs of silicon-powered blue DDR4 at 3200 megahertz. We have a Thermaltake Tough Power GX2 80 plus gold 600 watt. I had to use the Formula Mod black, white, and blue sleeve cables just because the thing looks pretty cool. And that's all inside of the Lee 205M mesh.
So yeah, if you like blue, buy this PC. PCBros.tech. How much is this bad boy going to be?
Oh, it's going to be
$900. $900 is
some with a
value.
discount too.
Oh yeah, you can use code TOAST for 2 or Santa 5 for 5% off. Use that one. That's 5%.
Take your pick though. You know, if you want to use the 2%, like
Whoa, is that Santa behind the camera?
No, what?